So when I saw these, I just about flipped. Oh my gosh. So this is, get ready? It is a s'more kit. So I am so excited all of a sudden about RVs and camping. And so this really just makes my day. So here, look at the detail on these cookies. This detail is incredible. And you get 2 delicious cookies, and they are on a sugar cookie. And then there are 2 marshmallows that go with this, and this is your kit. So you can melt each one on there and get 2. I believe this is a 2-pack to begin with. Anyway, so this is an incredible kit for doing campfires. And look, this card right here, this is what they're gonna see first when they open it up. It says Twin Peaks Lodge, discover the art of relaxation. This whole entire card can be fully customized by you or your art department. Go into Canva, pick something out, or we can also help you with this art. Maybe we have custom pieces that you can just drop your logo into. But this is a great gift for people who own RV dealerships, people who own the camping sites that people go to. You have a group like the Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts. I know every year they go to Disney and they camp out, so this would be a great thing for your troops. And I just love this idea. It's fabulous. I highly recommend this. Find this on corporategiftstores.com, and we do have a separate section under party supplies specifically for s'mores. So there's a whole bunch of these designs on there.